everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to roast your own buckwheat. This is a super simple recipe, and after that you can work with other recipes that you can find on my channel or anywhere on the internet, why not? So in this video I'll teach you how to correctly roast the buckwheat. Buckwheat is a very healthy seed, it's gluten-free, and it's one of the superfoods, so it's considered to be one of the superfoods. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Here you'll find interesting, easy and healthy recipes. Write in the comments below what is your favorite buckwheat recipe, so we can have a little discussion there. So let's get started. Start by preheating your oven at 160 degrees Celsius. And in a baking tray, place parchment paper and transfer the buckwheat and spread it just like this evenly in the baking tray. Bake the buckwheat at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, occasionally stirring it. So after removing from the oven, just let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes and transfer the buckwheat into a plate, a bowl or a jar, whatever you have at your hand. So this was my recipe of how to roast buckwheat. I hope you enjoyed this video. This recipe is amazing because allows you to store the buckwheat in large quantities for later on for your favorite, let's say, recipes. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite recipe, and we will try to make it together here on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and see you in the next one.